Welcome to another episode of the Billionaire Blueprint. Today we're going to uncover the world of sophisticated finance. I will show you how families can run their households like a company. As you may know, running a successful business requires careful planning, effective communication, and a clear division of labor. These same principles can be applied to managing a household and achieving financial success. In fact, by following these principles, families can improve their financial stability and, at scale, afford to live in high-end areas of society, even in larger homes at a cost cheaper than what you pay living in an area where even stray cats are gang-affiliated. Watch till the end and you'll learn some strategies that wealthy families use to achieve greater success than many average families. The best part: all things mentioned can be applied to your household at any time. First, let's talk about planning. Just like a business, a household should have clear financial goals and a plan for achieving them. This might include saving for retirement, paying off debt, or saving for a down payment on a house. It's important for families to have regular meetings to discuss their financial goals and progress, and to make adjustments as needed. In addition, families can benefit from setting up a budget and creating a financial plan that takes into account their long-term goals and their current financial situation. The wealthy understand the power of sophisticated life insurance contracts. Wealthy families are long-term minded, and they know that having a 50 to 100 million check every 70 years is basically guaranteed. Life insurance is like a money printer for the wealthy families. Because it is paid by you guys. Wait, what did he say? Life insurance is a very profitable industry. Not because they don't pay out their claims, it's because the life insurance contracts the poor use are inferior. They are not likely to last due to cash flow issues, causing you to miss a premium payment lapse. Also, many of those expire worthless as the time frame ends, since poor people love to buy term insurance. The wealthy buy insurance upfront so it will never lapse due to premium payments and is pretty much a tax-free check with each passing generation. In contrast, many average families often lack a clear financial plan and may make poor financial decisions as a result. But I don't blame average people for struggling, since negative momentum compounds as much as positive momentum. Just this info alone can improve your life greatly. You will not get this information anywhere else, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Disclaimer: when I use the word wealthy, I'm talking about true wealth. Those who are truly wealthy are silent and low profile, not the glorified CEOs you see. Those who understand finance understand visibility is a liability. A business-oriented family understands effective communication is also key to running a successful household. Each family member should understand their role and responsibilities, and there should be open lines of communication about financial decision-making. This can involve having regular family meetings to discuss financial matters and establishing clear roles and responsibilities for each member. By ensuring that everyone is on the same page and actively participating in financial decision-making, families can make more informed decisions and avoid financial conflicts. In contrast, many average families may have poor communication and conflict resolution skills, leading to financial strain on the household. A business-oriented family understands that a clear division of labor is extremely important in managing a household. Just like in a business, each family member should have specific tasks and responsibilities to contribute to the overall success of the household. This might include things like paying bills, grocery shopping, or taking care of the kids. By dividing tasks and responsibilities, families can ensure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. In addition, families can benefit from delegating tasks based on individual strengths and skills, just as a business would assign tasks to employees based on their expertise. For example, while the parents work, the kids can learn marketable skills like appraising items online and reselling them for a profit. In contrast, many average families may struggle to effectively divide tasks and responsibilities. While the parents are working to earn money, the kids are likely playing Fortnite and scrolling Instagram. These subtle things lead to inefficiencies and increased stress. One way that families can supercharge their financial growth is by leveraging their relationships for greater credit. For example, becoming authorized users on each other's credit cards. This can allow family members with good credit to help boost the credibility of those with less established credit histories. It's important to note that this strategy should be used with caution, as it can also lead to increased debt if not managed responsibly. Anything and everything in the world of finance requires discipline. Another way that business-minded families can leverage their relationships is through credit collaborations. By co-signing on loans or credit cards. This can be a helpful option for families with members who are unable to qualify for credit on their own due to a lack of credit history or a low credit score. However, it's important for families to carefully consider the risks of co-signing, as the co-signer is equally responsible for paying off the debt if the primary borrower defaults. So if you have a family of 10 and no one earns more than 60K per year, you can work together to qualify for a loan to invest in high-performing assets. For example, a high cash flow shopping center in a prime location. I need to stress the difference between high-quality assets and low-quality assets is night and day. Under most circumstances, normal families are priced out to even know of these opportunities, but with a business-oriented family, you can create more wealth in 10 years than the average family in 2 generations. The wealthy understand that assets under management are more important than direct ROI. Assets owned at high valuations provide better debt opportunities that aren't available to poor and average families, and in the game of sophisticated wealth, AUM and leverage are everything. One way that large business-oriented families can afford to live in high-end areas and large homes are by pooling their resources and purchasing property together. This can allow families to split the cost of the property and the expenses associated with it, such as property taxes and maintenance. This can be especially effective for families who have multiple streams of income, such as multiple businesses or investment portfolios. Another option for families looking to afford larger homes in high-end areas is to consider alternative ownership models, such as a cooperative or a community land trust. These models can allow families to pool their resources and purchase property together, while also ensuring that the property remains affordable for future generations. By adopting a business-like approach, families can improve their financial stability and achieve the success that many average families can only dream of. It's important to note that, while these strategies can be effective for large business-oriented families looking to afford larger homes in high-end areas, they may not be suitable for everyone. Families should carefully consider their financial situation and seek professional guidance before making a decision. Also, if your family doesn't have a strong mission under a competent leader, you're better off not trying. In conclusion, running a household like a company can lead to greater financial success and stability. By planning, communicating, and dividing tasks and responsibilities, families can work together to achieve their financial goals and create a strong foundation for the future. By leveraging their relationships and utilizing strategies such as becoming authorized users or co-signing on loans, families can also increase their credit and improve their financial stability. Let's not forget the importance of pooling resources and considering alternative ownership models. You can grow into a large business-oriented family that can afford to live in high-end areas, and larger homes at a ridiculously efficient cost and a solid support system. Just remember, there is a world of finance that most of you have never heard anything about. That's why it's our mission to democratize high-end financial information of the world, one video at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You have just downloaded another piece of the Billionaire Blueprint. Until next time.